Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak English Easily 24/7. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can get new English tips every day. Today, I want to share with you a simple trick that can completely change the way you learn English. It is something many people ignore, but believe me, it is the most important thing you can do to improve your English quickly. The best part? It is very easy, and you can start doing it today. Yes, I am talking about listening. Listening is the key to learning English well. It may seem simple, but it can make a huge difference in your skills. Let me explain why listening is so important and how you can use it to get better fast. First, I want to ask you a question. Do you feel stuck in your English learning? Maybe you have been studying for months or even years, but it feels like you're not improving. I know how frustrating that can be. You want to speak English, but it feels difficult. You try to learn grammar rules, memorize words, and practice exercises, yet something is missing. Here's the good news. Listening can help you break through that barrier. Listening helps in many ways. It improves your pronunciation, helps you learn new vocabulary, strengthens your understanding, and even builds your confidence. Think about it. Have you ever tried to speak English and felt nervous? Maybe you were unsure if you would understand the other person. Or maybe you were afraid of making mistakes because you didn't know how to say certain words correctly. Listening is the solution to both of these problems. The more you listen, the more you understand, and the less afraid you will be to speak. It is like practicing real conversations without any pressure. Now, think about how you learned your first language. You did not start with grammar books or writing exercises. You started by listening. You listened to your parents, your friends, and the people around you. You listened to TV shows, songs, and conversations every day. Slowly, without even noticing, you learned how to speak and understand your language. The same process works for English. Listening is the first and most important step. It is where everything begins. So, how can you use listening to improve your English? The first step is simple. Make listening a daily habit. Listen to English every day, even if it is only for a few minutes. You can listen to podcasts, watch videos, listen to songs, or even just repeat after someone speaking English. The key is consistency. The more you expose yourself to English through listening, the faster your brain will understand how the language works. Listening also helps your pronunciation. When you hear how native speakers pronounce words, you begin to imitate them naturally. Your vocabulary grows because you hear words used in context. You learn the rhythm and flow of sentences, which makes your speaking sound smoother. And most importantly, listening gives you confidence. You begin to understand more, so you're not afraid to speak. You feel ready for real conversations, and mistakes become less scary because you already know how words and phrases sound. In short, if you want to learn English faster, focus on listening first. It is easy, natural, and effective. Make listening a daily habit. Pay attention to how words are pronounced and try to hear new words in context. Over time, your English will improve in every area: speaking, understanding, and even thinking in English. Now that we know listening is important, the next step is to make it a daily habit. Don't worry, I'm not asking you to spend hours listening every day. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough if you do it consistently. The key is to make it part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth. If you listen every day, little by little, you will start to notice real improvement. The more you listen, the faster your English will get better. Here's something very important. You don't need to listen to boring things. In fact, it's better if you don't. When you listen to things you enjoy, you will stay motivated, and learning will feel fun instead of work. For example, if you love sports, try listening to sports podcasts in English. If cooking is your hobby, watch English cooking shows. If you enjoy music, listen to English songs. The key is to find content that you like. When you are having fun, you won't even notice that you are learning new words, new phrases, and new ways of speaking. Another common worry for many English learners is accents. English has so many accents: American, British, Australian, and even regional accents within each country. At first, this can feel confusing. You might think, I can't understand anyone. But don't worry. The trick is simple. The more you listen, the easier it gets. Your brain is amazing at adapting. In the beginning, you may not understand everything, and that's okay. With practice, your ear will learn to recognize different accents, and slowly you will understand more and more. Here's a helpful tip. Don't just listen to one accent. Try listening to a mix of accents. For example, one day you could listen to an American podcast and the next day watch a British TV show. By exposing yourself to different accents, you train your ear to understand English no matter who is speaking. Think of it like exercising different muscles. At first, it might feel hard, but with time, you will notice that you can understand anyone anywhere. Now, let's talk about why listening is so powerful for learning real English. Textbooks are useful for grammar and rules, but they often don't teach you how people actually speak in real life. When you listen to English in real conversations, you hear the words people really use. You learn how sentences flow, how people pause, stress words, or use expressions that textbooks might not even mention. This helps you sound more natural when you speak. Listening also improves your vocabulary in a way that memorizing lists of words cannot. When you hear a word in context, you understand how it is used, not just its meaning. You start noticing patterns in sentences, common expressions, and even slang. Over time, your brain begins to recognize these patterns automatically. You don't have to think about them. They just become part of your understanding. Another big benefit is confidence. When you listen regularly, you understand more, and understanding reduces fear. You begin to feel comfortable speaking because your brain has already practiced the sounds, words, and rhythms of English. Even if you make mistakes, it doesn't matter. You will naturally correct yourself faster because your brain already knows how English is supposed to sound. In short, listening every day, choosing content you enjoy, exposing yourself to different accents, and paying attention to real English conversations will make a huge difference in your learning. It is simple, fun, and effective. Listening is not just an exercise. It is the foundation of everything you do in English. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the process. Listening to English is not just about understanding words. It's about understanding how people really speak. When you listen carefully, you hear common phrases, idioms, and slang that native speakers use every day. These are things you usually won't find in textbooks. For example, have you ever heard someone say, "It's a piece of cake"? If you only read it in a book, you might think they are talking about dessert. But when you hear it in a conversation, you understand that it means something is easy. This is the kind of learning that only happens when you listen to English in real life. Listening also teaches you tone and emotion. The way we say something is just as important as the words themselves. For example, if someone says, "That's great," they could be genuinely excited, or they could be sarcastic. The meaning depends entirely on the tone of their voice. By listening to real conversations, you start to notice these subtle differences. You learn not just the words, but also the feelings behind them. This is important because English is a living language. It's full of emotions, expressions, and nuances that textbooks can't always show. Another huge benefit of listening is confidence. When you understand more, you feel more confident speaking. Think of it like preparing for a test. If you know the material well, you feel ready. If you don't, you feel nervous. English is the same. The more you listen, the more your brain gets used to the sounds, words, and flow of English. You begin to feel ready for real conversations, and mistakes start to feel less scary. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Even native speakers make them. The key is to keep learning and keep practicing. Many learners worry about not understanding everything. Here's the truth. You don't need to understand every single word. The goal is to get the main idea of what someone is saying. Think about watching a movie in your own language. You probably don't catch every word, but you still understand the story. English works the same way. Focus on the overall meaning, not each individual word. Your brain is amazing at filling in the gaps. Over time, as you listen more and more, you'll start to understand more words naturally, even without consciously trying. Here's a tip to make this even easier. If you're watching a TV show, movie, or video, try to listen first without reading subtitles. Just focus on the sounds, rhythm, and tone. You don't need to understand every word. Then, if you want, you can watch it again with subtitles to catch words you missed. Doing this regularly trains your ear to recognize patterns and helps you understand English faster in real conversations. Listening also helps you notice sentence patterns, linking words, and everyday expressions. You learn how sentences flow, how people join words together, and which phrases are natural in casual conversations. This kind of learning is much faster than memorizing rules from a book. You begin to think in English naturally, rather than translating from your native language. In short, listening is the foundation of learning English. It helps you understand real English, catch tone and emotion, gain confidence, and improve naturally over time. You don't need to understand everything at first. Just start listening every day, focus on the main idea, and enjoy the process. The more you listen, the better your English will become without pressure or stress. It's simple, fun, and effective. If you're watching a TV show or a movie and find it hard to keep up, don't worry. Use subtitles. This is not cheating. In fact, it's a smart way to learn. Turn on the English subtitles and watch how the words match what you hear. At first, you may need the subtitles a lot, but over time, you will rely on them less and less. Your brain will start understanding the sounds naturally, and you'll notice your listening skills improving every day. Listening also helps you learn new words in a way that's much easier than memorizing from a book. When you hear a new word in context, it becomes easier to understand and remember. For example, imagine you are listening to a podcast and hear the word procrastinate. You might not know what it means at first, but by hearing how it is used in a sentence, you can guess that it means to delay or put something off. This is called learning from context, and it is one of the most effective ways to learn vocabulary. You also learn how words naturally fit together in sentences, which helps you sound more natural when you speak. Listening is not just about learning words and phrases, it has real-life benefits too. If you want to travel, work, or study in an English-speaking country, strong listening skills are essential. Imagine being in a meeting where your boss is giving important instructions, or ordering food at a restaurant. If you can't understand what people are saying, you will feel lost or confused. But if you've trained your ear by listening regularly, you will be ready for these situations. You will understand more, respond naturally, and feel confident. Let's summarize why listening is so important. Listening to English helps you improve your pronunciation, vocabulary, and understanding of real-life phrases. It boosts your confidence, makes speaking easier, and helps you understand different accents. You can listen anywhere, while driving, cooking, exercising, or even relaxing at home. The more you listen, the better your English becomes, without any stress or pressure. Here's a simple challenge for you. Start today. Make listening to English a daily habit. Even just 10 or 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. Find something you enjoy, whether it's a podcast, a TV show, or music, and listen carefully. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. Focus on the main idea. Pay attention to how words are used, and notice the rhythm and tone. Over time, your brain will adjust, and your understanding will improve naturally. Listening is not just a learning tool, it is the foundation of English. It prepares you to speak confidently, understand real conversations, and enjoy the language as it is really spoken. The more fun you make it, the faster you will improve. So, make it part of your life, be consistent, and enjoy the process. If you stick with it, you will be amazed at how much progress you make. English will stop feeling difficult, and speaking, understanding, and learning will become natural and exciting. Are you ready to take the first step? Start listening today and watch your English grow.